Hello my dear students, welcome back to the English classes of 7th standard, St. Thomas School, Pocharabad, Adilabad district, Telangana, India. Today we are continuing with the second unit of your book, part A, that is C.V. Raman, the Pride of India. And we already dealt with this chapter and we have understood the chapter and even you have written the question and answers in your fair note. Those who are not written or those who are not completed their fair notes, please complete it soon, and we will be asking your fair notes within next month or after a few days, so be prepared with. And today we are going to continue with this chapter, that is from page number 26 of your book. Please, all of you, please open your book, page number 26 of part B, part A of unit 2. And there we have the second part of the exercises. Say whether the following statements are true or false. Correct the false statements. So we have 7 statements there, or 7 declarations, and you have to write or you have to say whether it is false or right. So please mark there in the proper appropriate place. Let us write.
C.V. Raman was born in Calcutta. This is the first one there. That statement is wrong. Second, the Compton effect was a discovery made by C.V. Raman. That's also wrong. Raman's mother was a college physics teacher. That's also wrong. Raman was an average student at school. Number 4 there, no. And that is also wrong. 5. Raman studied how the drum could produce music. That statement is also wrong. Then 6. Raman spent only 200 rupees to win the Nobel Prize. That is a statement true. Then 7. Raman was only 42 when he won the Nobel Prize. That statement is right. So please mark there whether the statement is true or false.
Now we are entering into the vocabulary, part of vocabulary. There it is written, that is in page number 27. Please open your page number 27 and look at there. The following sentences are from your lesson. Read them carefully and tick the correct meaning of the underlined word in each sentence. So there we have 5 sentences and a particular word is underlined there. For example, the first sentence, his parents were keen to send him abroad for higher studies. So there are 3 options are given there, 3 answers are given there, 3 meanings: particular, eager and worried. And the correct answer is eager, that is B. So let us look at the video carefully and tick the right answer.
First one, his parents were keen to send him abroad for higher studies. Keen means no eager, that is B. Please mark there. The world hailed the discovery as the Raman effect. Meaning of that word is admired. Number 3. In his youth, Raman was mainly interested in acoustics. Mainly means primarily. 4. The British made Raman a knight of the British Empire. Meaning is placed, that is C. 5. Raman passed away on November 21, 1970. That means died. That answer is B.
Now we have the second part of the vocabulary. Read the following sentence. Raman was equally delighted. The underlined word delighted is a verb and has been used to express a feeling of joy or happiness. Its noun form is delight. So most of the verbs can be used as a noun when we make some changes in it. So we have some examples here, and one example here we have already we have in the book, that is in page number 27. You have there, no? The underlined word delighted is a verb and has been used to express a feeling of joy or happiness. Its noun form is delight. Now look at the following verbs and write their corresponding noun forms. When you write this exercise there and examples there, you will be understanding how we can form nouns from verbs or verbs from the noun form. Okay, please look at the book.
Now next, look at the book there. Enjoyed is enjoyment. That is the noun form. Surprised, surprise. Disappointed, disappointment. Worried, noun is worry. 5. Satisfied, satisfaction.
Now fill in the blanks with the suitable noun forms of the underlined words in each sentence. Here we have one verb form is there, that is underlined, and afterwards you have to write the noun form of that. Some of them are abstract nouns, most of them are abstract nouns. Okay, so let us read them and write down the correct form of the that verb there.
He was shocked to see a snake in his room, but he recovered from his shock in no time. Say that word is shock. That is noun. Shocked is the verb. He pretended to look relieved, but in fact he did not have any relief. So relieved is the verb and relief is the noun. I can understand your excitement, but do not be so excited that you have health problem. So excitement is the noun. Excited is the verb. Next, number 4. Raju, an auto driver, was very honest. His honesty was known to everybody. When he returned the bag of jewelry a passenger had left in his auto. That word honesty is the noun, abstract noun now.
Now please turn over to the next page. Here we have some of the abbreviations are given there, and you have to write the full form of those abbreviations. Raman stayed in the country to do the MA course. You know, MA means Master of Arts. The underlined letters in capitals denote an abbreviation. The full form of this abbreviation is Master of Arts. So wherever we go now, most of the places, boards, or even you can see the bus number, and everywhere we will see short forms, or you can say not short forms, you can say abbreviations. So we must learn some of the important abbreviations, and we can also use them in our writings, so to save the time and also to save the space. So here is a list of some common abbreviations. Write their full forms. Let us write now.
BA, Bachelor of Arts. AD, Anu Domini. BC, Before Christ. CM, Chief Minister. CD, Compact Disc. DVD, Digital Versatile Disc. AM, Anti-Meridium. PM, Post-Meridium.
Hope that you have finished writing. Those who could not write, please pause the video and write everything clearly. It is very important that you may also write these words in your fair notes. So that will be also part of your homework. Now, in this section, second point, read the following sentence and notice the underlined word. He used to spend his hours after office in the lab. The underlined word lab is a short form of laboratory. So this is short form. The other one which we dealt first is the abbreviation. So lab means laboratory. Look at the following list of short forms and write their full forms. In the first one is done for you. You can also use the dictionary, but here we are writing them because we don't have classroom. We are writing. You also have difficulty to get a dictionary now. So we are completing the exercise. Please look at the video, pause the video, and also write down all the words correctly.
Short form of the word here is kilo, kilogram or kilometer. Paragraph. Specs, spectacles. Photograph. Bike, bicycle. Mic, microphone.
Now, in this section, fourth one, that's in page number 28, last part of the page number 28. In the paragraph 4, you have learned that optics is the study of light. Where do you see the paragraph 4 in your book? That is here in page number 24. You have the fourth paragraph. So let us, you can read the fourth paragraph where it is, and also underline the word optics. See, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here you can underline, find out the word optics here. Optics. Now here in page number 24. Then come back to the page number 28. Do you know the word for the study of living beings? It's biology. It comes from bio, or you can say bio, means life, plus logos. Logos, logi, means study of science. So biology means the study of, or you can say the science of life, means study or science. So the suffix logi or logi adds the meaning study of. Guess the meaning of the words under column A and match them with the phrase under column B. Now we have 5 words there, and you have to match them with the other column and just write the letter there. So let us look at the book and look at the video and write down in your book the correct answer. So here what you have to do, you can also write these things in a fair note. So one of the homework you have already here, this side I gave you the abbreviations. Now you have to write. Then second one here, short form, also you have to write, and short form and full form. Then here third one, the homework you are having, that is the meaning you have to write. For example, archaeology. So you can write the archaeology means the study of cultures of the past. So you have to write down there. Yeah. So that is also one of the exercises you are going to have. You have to write down at home. That means you are at home already, no? Anyway, after the class you can write down these things.
Archaeology, that is answer is D. The study of the cultures of the past. Physiology, answer is E. Study of the bodies of living beings. Then physiology, that is number 3. Answer is A. The study of the mind. Psychology. Psychology is study of the mind. Then fourth one, geology. Answer is C. The study of the earth. Last one there, zoology, that is B. Answer is B. That means the study of animals.
Now we have some grammar part. Okay. So in the grammar part, let us read together. Read the following sentences from your lesson and observe how the underlined words are used before dates, year, and names of places. So we are going to have some of the prepositions in these lines. Let us read them. Number 1, Raman was born on November 7, 1888. That's in paragraph 6. Raman passed away in 1970 on November 21. In that word, 2 words are underlined, that is in and on. They are all prepositions. 3. Raman did his MA course at Presidency College in Madras. There also we have 2 words, at Presidency, then in Madras, that at and in. Then fourth one, in December, in underlined, and on is also underlined. A fine evening in 1927. There was much excitement. So let us write down these things there. You have already studied about these things. Just we are going to remembering it once more. We are recollecting it once more so that you don't forget it. Okay. So here we have on, the word in we have, and also we have what? At. What are them? What are them? They are prepositions of time and place. Prepositions of time and place. See, prepositions of time and place. I'll be also posting a video regarding prepositions later and with all the divisions. So just to be understand, these are prepositions. You know, you other years you have already studied what is a preposition. Okay, but I will be having more classes on prepositions in the grammar part. Separately we have that red book you have now. Then we will be going to have, after completing this this part, will be entering directly into that part. So just understand that on, in, at. No, so how the words are, sentences are formed there. No, Raman was born on November 7. You can say I was born on such a day. Okay, I was born on November 15. You can say, or you can say I live at Pochara. I live at Bath. You can say, or you can say I live in Hyderabad, because Hyderabad is a big city, so you have to use the word in, preposition in. Otherwise, small cities you have to use what? At. So you can say he is in time. Okay, these are examples, no? So in sentence 1 and 2, on is used before a date. So to indicate a time, you can use what? In. So what's the word used there? The word in sentence 2 and 3 and 4, in is used before a year. No, in a year, that is 1970. No, in. No, that is also indicating what? That's a time. Then we have also before the name of a big city, that's a place. So the same word can also used at can be also used for time and also for place. So this also you can also use for time and place. This also you can use for time and place. So with the examples which you are going to have here, you will be understanding is clearly. So don't worry, when I explain to you, do not understand what is prepositions of time and place. No, just let us go through the examples. Now fill in the blanks with in, on and at. So I'll be knowing that. So let us complete them.
Look at the examples there. Raman was born on November 7, 1888. That is from paragraph 6 of it is from paragraph 6. Then next one, Raman passed away in 1970, another preposition. On November 21, that is another preposition. Raman did his MA course Raman was born on November 7, 1888. Raman passed away in 1970 on November 21. Raman did his MA course at Presidency College in Madras. In December, on a fine evening in 1927, there was much excitement. So here we are dealing with the prepositions of time and place. Look at the words there on, in, and at. They are prepositions of time and place. In sentence 1 and 2, on is used before the date. In sentence 2 and 3 and 4, in is used before a year, before the name of a big city in Madras, example, no? And before the name of a month, in December. In sentence 3, at is used before the name of a small place or area. Now let us do the exercise together. Sharat Chandra and Kirtana are brothers. Sharat Chandra and Kirtana are brother and sister. Sharat Chandra was born on 25th April in 2000. Kirtana was born on December 2, 2001. They are with their parents. They live at Masaipat, a small village in Medak district. They play games at school. It is usually very hot in May in their village. So they spend their summer in Hyderabad at their uncle's house. Mr. Srisailam is their uncle. He resides at a High Court colony in Hyderabad with his wife Jagadishwari and his daughter Vishnupriya. So please pause the video and write down everything correctly. Last part of our class here is articles. Okay, articles. Okay, articles are a and the. Okay, now look at your book and we are going to read from here. Carefully look at the book and listen to what I say. Now you need not look at the video but look at your book. Please look at your book. Page number 30. I am going to read. A is used before singular common nouns in noun phrases beginning with consonant sounds. So A is used before singular common nouns. So before the common nouns or singular nouns it is used. A, example, a man, or you can say a man is a common noun but it is singular. Okay, then in noun phrases beginning with consonant sounds. What do you mean by consonant sounds? Except the vowel sounds. Which are the vowel sounds? A, E, I, O, U. They are vowels. All other letters are, alphabets are consonants. So there also we use a man, a dog, a boy. You can say no, or you can say noun phrase. Noun phrase means when a phrase is having a noun in it, we call it a noun phrase. Now phrase, you know what is a phrase? Phrase is a group of words which make some sense but not complete sense. So I don't say so many things now, but you don't get confused.
So listening to these words, you may be understanding them repeatedly when I say, no. So I am telling you this. Now we'll have another class on phrase also. The grammar part will have another class. So that is to be explained a little more well. Then second one, an. An is used where? An is used before singular common nouns in noun phrases beginning with vowel sounds. Which are the vowel sounds? A, E, I, O, U. Before them, usually we use the article an. Before them, we use the article an. Now the last one is the is used. No? Where to use the? Where to use the? No? Before words, phrases that indicates unique things. It was the headquarters of the Indian Association. So there is no other institutions with the same name. So we say the Indian Association. So you say the St. Thomas School, Pochira. No, we have to say that. No, the St. Thomas School, Pochira. Then, because they are unique, there is no other school like this. When I say the St. Thomas School at Pochira means this school, this particular school, no other school. Then, B, situations where the sentence itself contains a clue to identify the things or the person referred. Example, his advice to young scientists was to look at the world around them. So, what is the situation? What is the thing there? Let us read once more. Look at the book. In situations where the sentence itself contains a clue to identify the thing or the person referred. So example, his advice to the scientist was to look at the world around them. At the world around them. So there contains a clue to identify the thing or the person referred. What's the thing there? The world. A clue is there. So contains a clue there. Then in third one, C, in social situations where the identity of the person, object is understood. But look here, Krishnan, he said, turning to the young man. So let us read once more. In social situations where the identity of the person, object is understood. So, but look at here, Krishnan, he said, turning to the young man. So when you say that the young man, that particular person, not anybody else. The last, before the names of musical instruments, he studied how stringed instruments like the violin. So it is before the musical instruments. So surely we'll have another class regarding the articles also in the grammar book from that red book which you are going to deal after completing this part, this unit we are going to entering into that book. Then you surely will have classes and explanation about these articles again. So please remember there are only three articles, A and B or da. No? So I will be also sending you a video where to use da and when to use the. Same letters, but you will be getting a video also today. Then now let us look at the exercise there. List 20 phrases from the text that begin with A, An or D. Then put 1, 2, 3, A, 3, B, 3, C, 3 or 3D against them depending on how A and RD is used. One is done for you. An old building. No, an old building. Now we are going to do the exercise here. Please look at the book and complete your passage here. So even if you will be understanding where to use them, no, when you write down them and there and read the words correctly, clearly. Now, if you do not understand the sentence, read it once more. Then you will be understanding. Please do the exercise with patience and complete them today itself. So you have to complete them and send them all the notes and everything today itself or tomorrow to me. Okay.
In 1987, M.S. Swaminathan was awarded the Raman Magase Award. 2. We dined yesterday at the Maurya Sheraton Hotel. 3. Tejaswini lent me an interesting book. 4. My father is a school teacher. 5. M.S. Swaminathan worked at the Indian Agriculture Research Institute. 6. Rekha bought a long notebook yesterday. 7. Saraswati is casting a mango now. Saraswati is eating a mango now. 7. Ganesh always carries an umbrella with him. 9. Ram Babu is an English teacher in a high school. 10. Manchula and Shruti play the guitar well.
So thank you very much, students, for your listening, and you have collaborated with me very well, and all the best for you for the next day, and we will meet again with another class. Enjoy your home stay and study well. Be responsible students, obey your parents, and also love your brothers and sisters, and also be patient enough to be inside the house, and also keeping all the rules and regulations during this COVID period. And I wish you all the best. We'll meet again with another class next day. Thank you very much.